Jeep Renegade's ultimate upgrade, XTRONS Android 14 stereo, is wild. Ever felt like your Jeep's tech is straight up holding you hostage? You're out there, trying to enjoy the drive, but your clunky factory stereo lags like it's still in 2012. You tap, nothing. You swipe, still nothing. Apps crash, maps freeze, and your music decides to vanish mid-chorus. Meanwhile, your focus is wrecked, your patience is gone, and every trip feels like a battle with outdated junk. It's exhausting, especially when you know there's tech out there that could turn your dashboard into a dream machine. Now, imagine you've got a road trip planned, playlist ready, GPS set, then boom, your stereo glitches, directions vanish, and your vibe's crushed. Deadlines don't care. Passengers start complaining. Stress skyrockets. Burnout creeps in. Opportunities? Missed. You're juggling calls, trying to navigate, praying the system won't brick itself again. Your Jeep deserves better. You deserve better. And honestly, the thought of dealing with another year of lag, broken Bluetooth, and awkward cable juggling, that's not just annoying. It's a productivity and sanity killer of epic proportions. Enter the XTRONS Android 14 car stereo for Jeep Renegade, the nuclear option against dashboard mediocrity. With an Octa-Core processor, 6 GB RAM, and 128 GB storage, it's smoother than your phone. The 9-inch QLED touchscreen? Crisp, vibrant, and visible even in blazing sun. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so no more cable chaos. Built-in 4G LTE keeps you connected anywhere. Stream, navigate, video call on the fly. The DSP audio tuning? Mind-blowing clarity. Plus, you've got OBD2 vehicle diagnostics, an off-road inclinometer, and full steering wheel control. It's plug and play, no cutting, no warning lights. Just instant transformation from meh to modern command center. Picture this. Smoother workflows, zero lag. Music that sounds richer, navigation that's actually reliable. That's the daily reality Jeep owners rave about after upgrading to the XTRONS Android 14. 10 times faster than you connect, says one Renegade driver. DSP makes factory speakers sound premium, says another. DIYers brag about installing it in under 2 hours, and road trippers swear the 4G hotspot is a lifesaver. The QLED screen? Like an iPad glued to your dash. This isn't just a stereo. It's your navigation hub, entertainment center, off-road guide, and digital assistant. Apps launch instantly. Voice commands work like magic, and the Inclinometer makes off-road adventures safer. When tech this good fits like OEM, but performs like a flagship tablet, you stop asking, why, and start asking, why didn't I do this sooner? Stock is flying. This isn't hype, it's reality. The XTRONS Android 14 isn't sitting on shelves gathering dust. It's in Jeep's transforming drives right now. Don't wait. Don't think about it. Act now. Limited supply means hesitating could cost you your best upgrade in years. Join thousands of Jeep Renegade owners who've already made the leap. Experience flawless wireless CarPlay, blazing speed, and a screen so sharp it's addictive. Secure yours today, because this kind of transformation doesn't wait for indecision. Your Jeep deserves it. You deserve it.